I did things a little differently this week, going to end this video with my explanation of the time lapse you just saw of this collage creation. This was actually more of a warm-up for me. There's another project that I'd like to work on and make a video of. This was just to get me going. It is comprised entirely of leftover scraps, albeit beautiful, but nonetheless, I don't want to say rejects, but they didn't make it into the past couple of collages that I've been working on, and yet they still deeply inspire me. So this is my sketchbook, and I've shared it before. It's a relatively new sketchbook. I have this that I worked on off-site at home. It's just something to inspire. The sketchbook itself is a collage. I don't think I shared this with all of you on video, but I love how some things work out because it was really a stream of consciousness. I like this Grey's Anatomy piece, the pink and the person emerging towards the focal point. So definitely a secondary thing going on here. So this was again created from pieces that I was inspired by and made something with. So here you are. This transparency was hanging around, and I found it at the last minute when I was hunting up my trusty ruler and thought, you know what, this kind of fits. So here we go. I really loved this background, but for whatever reason, it wasn't making it into any of my other collages. It still inspires me, and that's why a sketchbook is so important for any type of creative, because you want to have handy things that are going to inspire you. I got a long way to go still with this sketchbook. So I also was utilizing, I'm not sure if you noticed, there was some sketches, some doodling that I'd done, and nothing that was really turning into anything. So I simply used it as the substrate to support this little collage, which I think is going to be giving me a lot of inspiration in the next couple of weeks as I use this sketchbook. I hope that this inspired you. What kind of techniques do you use to keep up your inspiration? Is your own work your inspiration? It should be, as well as other people all around the world. So let me know what you think in the comments. I hope to share more of my sketchbook with you in the future, and I will see you in the next video.